Yeah, sleeping light, heartbeat drumming in the time, mind sharp like a blade, but I'm cutting with lines, no change on my thoughts. I'm unlocking the cage. Every word I speak ink. Yeah, I'm writing the page. I came from the quiet where the echo stay loud, talking to myself, but the rhythm stay proud. Got dreams in my pocket, got hope in my stride. Every loss was a lesson, every scar was a guide. I'm painting with verbs. Watch the picture appear from doubts to the fear. Now they disappearing here. Where breath control, let it in. No flow, no script, no plan, just a mic and a moment. Yeah, I'm doing what I can for bar fall. Bars fall like rain on a hot summer street. Every beat got a soul, every soul got a beat. If you want it real, I don't cap, I don't front. This is a freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. Truth of the back of my lung. Second breath in, now I'm digging, living deeper, mindful, full of noise, but I'm focused, getting clearer. They doubted the spark, tried to dim my flame, but pressure make diamonds. Now remember the name. I was lost in the maze, every turn felt wrong. I still march with the beat, let the pain make a song. Every night had a cause, every wind took time. Now I'm crushing those hours in this form of these rhymes. I don't talk like a king, I just move like man. Silent grind, heavy crown when the work get to do from cracks in the floor to the stars. I'm chasing this ain't luck, this belief, this patience I'm facing. So if the world go quiet and the lights fade low, I'll still rap to the world. To the void, let the real ones know I'm alive in the rhythm. Yeah, the truth won't bend. Uh, this ain't just a verse, this is the way I defend third verse, breath in the echoes reply. Every wall got doubts, every doubt got a why. Got voices in my head trying to pull me apart. Some scream, give it up, some says follow your heart. I learned which ones lie and which ones stay true. Some voices are fear, some are pushing me to every echo was a lesson from the nights I survived when I talk to the dark just to prove to I to now the silence will loud when the beat fades low. All the voices remind me how the far I can go. I ain't run from the noise. I made peace with the sound. Let the echoes guide me when the world ain't around. So when the screen go black and the rhythm is gone, those echoes still play. Yeah, the voice carry on. No script, no disguise, just the truth I deploy. I ca- I want build I want to build from the echoes and I speak with my voice.